Today we're going to talk about how to sell soak in a lingerie shop. And this works for a lingerie shop, swimwear shop, a workout shop, anywhere where you have a fitting room experience. The first step is to make sure that everyone who works in your shop has tried soak, uses soak on a regular basis, and has a favorite fragrance that they love. When we interview here at the office, after a first interview before a second one, we give everybody soak to take back, and if they come back and they haven't tried the product, then we don't really move forward because there's nothing to do to talk about the experience of using soak if you haven't actually tried it. So step number one is to make sure that everyone on your team uses soak on an ongoing basis. The best place to start the conversation about soak is in the fitting room. In a fitting room, you have a one-on-one intimate moment with your customer where you can talk to them about their bra fitting experience. And talking about how you care about a bra is an integral part of that process. We know that if a customer washes a bra in the washing machine and the wire comes out, or it gets ruined, or it gets mangled, or it's not in perfect state, they're not going to come back and say that they washed the bra in the washing machine and it was their fault. They're going to come back to the store and say that they didn't get the satisfactory fitting and purchasing experience that they wanted. So soak is a really integral part in you enabling your customers to take better care of their bras, which in turn makes the customers feel like you've sold them an even better product. In the fitting room, you can talk to your customers about how they're taking care of their bras. First, ask them, how do you wash your bra? Because it's important to know if you've already got a dedicated soak user on your hands, or if it's somebody who's completely new to a beautiful bra fitting experience. You're in the fitting room. It's best to talk about the product and how to care for your bra, because that way, by the time the sale's being concluded at the cash desk, the customer's already heard about soak and learned about it in a trusting environment, and it's not perceived as an upsell at the cash. You want to follow your questions about bra care with, we recommend hand washing every 2 to 3 uses with soak. And depending on the season and the climate, you want to talk to them about more frequent uses. So in the summer or in a very sweaty hot season, you want to talk to your customers about washing their bra after every single wear, whereas in the winter or in a season that has a more mild climate, they might be okay with washing it every 2 to 3 uses. It's also important to explain to your customer that proper care with soak will actually help their bra last longer. Gentle washing and hand washing helps prolong the life of a bra and allows the customer to have a better fitting experience for longer. We also always want to tell our customers that the more often they wash their bras, the longer they're going to last. And if they do have sets, you want to wash sets at the same time so that if they are going to fade over time, they fade at the same rate. Soak is a no-rinse product, and what that means is it's really gentle on fibers. And we're going to talk about no-rinse in more detail in a video called What's No Rinse, but the short of it is that the less agitation and the less wear that you do on the bra, which is what happens when you hand wash versus putting something in a machine, the longer the bra will last and the less damage you do to the fibers. So we always want to encourage our customers to hand wash. We do always get the question about a panty set. How do you hand wash that? And for sure, you need to do a little bit of scrubbing and rubbing on your panties to make sure that they're clean, and you want to rinse those out. The other thing that's really important about educating your customers on soak is telling them how easy soak is to use, and that only works if you yourself have used soak and use it on a regular basis. You just put a capful in a sink of room temperature, cool or tepid water, and let your bra soak for about 15 minutes. You can swoosh the water around, make sure that there's enough water to flow around your bras and other garments, and then take it out and drain it. The number one complaint we hear from consumers about why they don't hand wash their bras with soak is that they don't have enough time. Well, here are some quick tip solutions for you to use right out of the gate for those customers. So you can hand wash your bra while you take a shower. If you throw your bra in the sink with soak when you hop in the shower, by the time you get out of the shower, it will have soaked and it will be clean. If you really don't have time, you can also take your soak in the shower with you as well, because soak comes from a skincare background, so it's safe and gentle on your skin. And while you're having your shower, give your bra a little love as well. Busy household with lots of kids? Well, you can be giving your kids a bath while your lingerie is getting a bath in the sink as well. So when you're filling up the tub, just also fill up the sink and let your bra soak for the same amount of time that you're giving your kids a bath. When you're cleaning your bathroom, we always joke that before you do your hand washing, you have to clean your bathroom, you have to clean your sink, or if you're washing a lot of things, you have to clean your tub. Well, if you clean your sink first, throw your lingerie in there, and by the time you're done cleaning the rest of the bathroom, you'll be good to go with your lingerie washing as well. When we're traveling and at trade shows and we want to introduce a new retailer to our products, we give them a mini soak sample, one of these that we were talking about, and we tell them to take it back to the hotel room and to grab a cocktail or a coffee, or when they're just putting their feet up at the end of the long day, and throw this mini soak in the sink with socks, underwear, bras, swimwear, workout clothes, anything that they have with them just to get the experience. So when you sit down for a relaxing break, just throw your lingerie in at the same time. Soak's gonna do the work, so you don't have to. The other question that always comes up is, what else can I use soak for? And we do have on our blog 101 things to do with soak, so you can always go there looking for resources, and we always love to hear new ideas. When your customers take soak home, we want them to use their soak for all of their delicates, not just the things that they purchase from you. You can use soak for workout wear, swimwear, lingerie, baby clothes, knits, so your favorite cashmere sweater, your favorite super cozy sweater, anything that's delicate that you care enough about to hand wash. For me, anything that doesn't go in the dryer gets hand washed with soak. So that means my workout clothes, my favorite dresses, all my cardigans, my little sweaters, whether they're handmade or store-bought, they all get washed with soak. And while in a lingerie environment, we do encourage you to ask your customers to hand wash their bras, you can also use soak in a washing machine. You can use a couple mini soaks or a squirt from your bottle in a washing machine, including a high efficiency machine, to wash your delicate items. So while I certainly hand wash my bras and I hand wash lace or other delicates, my sweaters, my workout clothes, my favorite dresses, my favorite t-shirts, they all go on the delicate cycle with soak. Soak's not just designed to be a delicate detergent. That's not what we're about. We are about a philosophy called soak-worthy. And soak-worthy means that you own things that are worthy enough for being soaked. And the thing is people are happier when they have their favorite sweater on, when they have their favorite bra on, when they're wearing cashmere socks, a great wool scarf, whatever it is, when you feel cozy and loved and warm and elegant, those are the things that are soak-worthy in your life, and those are the things that need to be cared for with soak. And we all have a favorite bra, a good dress, a great pair of cashmere socks, or really delicate hosiery that we don't wear on a regular basis because we're afraid to take care of it. And we want to enable you to take care of those items so that you wear them more often, because we know how amazing you feel when you're wearing your favorite garments. This is going to sound like the ultimate sales pitch, but it's the truth. Keep soak in stock in your store. Figure out a minimum threshold to make your merchandising display look nice, and make sure that at all times you have that much soak. And I'm not just saying that for our benefit, I'm saying it for yours. We get countless calls from retailers who have lost revenue because their customers are looking for soak in their shop. And we have a big celebratory moment with our retailers when they call us and say, somebody just came into my shop and said, don't sell me another bra, I just need another bottle of soak. We know that soak is the upsell product. We know it's secondary. We know that you're in the lingerie business and you sell bras, and with that you sell soak. But please make sure that you're not missing incremental additional revenue by not having a care product in stock. We're editing these videos together for you so that you can learn how to sell soak in your shops. And we encourage you to share these videos with your team members. A new staff member comes on board, someone's helping you out in the shop. Watch them together at staff meetings, or give them the individual links to watch them on their own. And we encourage you to watch them multiple times because we're all busy, we're all distracted. For sure, since you've started listening to this, somebody has come in and asked you a question and you've paused the video or you've missed a section. So watch them over and over again, because each time you're going to pick up new information and new customer insights. And we have evidence to show that the more knowledge you and your staff have on soak, the more bottles you're going to sell. And you're even going to surprise yourself with how many bottles of soak you can sell in your shop.